Man, look at this prickly pear. Like, I don't know why it's a lot of stuff in there, a lot of seeds. Holy cow. Yeah, well, I got a lot of fruit right here. And I got, I forgot what it was called. Let me read the label. Some type of pear. Parlet pear. Parlet pear, yeah. Got galas. Got gala apples. Peach. Just one peach. A few grapes. About to make some juice. And I got some sour apples. So I got a lot of fruit, whatever, that's got to be made in some juice. So that's pretty much about to go down, y'all. Yo. I wish I was... I didn't think much of it in order to film. I wasn't really thinking of it. I tried some of this, man. Mother freaking delectable, man. Oh, I'm sorry. Look at me. I'm making a mess. Pardon. Delicious. And I got more to make too. Wow. Delicious. That was a delicious concoction, man. Whew. Can't wait to make them more. Holy cow, man. But yeah, if y'all want to book a one-on-one consultation, y'all can do that by sending us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration. Or you can just DM us on Instagram. You guys know we got the stuff in the description box for you guys. healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. You dig? All that, like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the bell notification. This is like really sweet. It's like an apple. It's like an apple taste, and it's like the gala, like that's how I really like the apples it tastes. And I'm gonna be honest, I'm really not even that big on pears. Pardon. But man, this is like really great. I feel like too, this is a great combination right here. And it's still more too. I still gotta juice them, whatever, and there's still more stuff. So yeah, this is really great, y'all. I'm really happy. This is like really tangy. Like this is like, man, they don't sell this in the store. It's ridiculous. Probably because it's too healthy.